It's Monday, what means we have a new video update about the videos I'm going to make this week. Well, at least I'm going to try to make them. Okay, so I have my plan already, so let's get started. On Monday we have of course this video, and we have a headband bandana tutorial, or another adult's headband, I guess. Normally you can only find the measurements for children, but I don't like that. I want it for adults. You can find enough tutorials for children. Okay, on Tuesday we have a Toro Tuesday and a cinnamon soap bar. And on Wednesday we have Ouija bags with a cricket machine. And we have we have an epoxy hand and a taxidermy butterfly on top, like in a beautiful glass dome, I guess. That's the best way to describe it. So that we're going to make. I mean, it's not really a tutorial, more a do-it-yourself kind of thing, like showing you how I do it so you can do it, you know, that kind of stuff. On Thursday we have a new shop update, and I'm going to do a tutorial on a sleeping mask. And on Friday I'm going to upgrade some skinny black jeans, and I'm going to do all the star signs on it with iron-on, so the cricket machine. And on Friday we're going to upgrade the mirror, also with a cricket machine. I'm going to show you everything step by step, and you can find everything on my blog. And of course on my YouTube channel. I'm going to post everything on my blog, mostly the SVGs I use and the material I use and everything like that. And of course a written step-by-step guide, so you can find everything over there. So yeah, that's another 10 videos this week. If you want to follow me for more witchcraft and cottagecore stuff, you can definitely follow me. If not, that's okay too. You will see me anyways on your For You page.